Day 1.
Okay, I have here the 4 greatest inventions
On how to kill Bellwether. Because she will be here in 3 days, but now it's day 1. 2 days, and she's here. First off, I have the hologram machine, where you could put pictures on something. I mean, if you hologram something, if you put a picture on a hologram machine, some characters will come alive. Watch this. Perfectly done. Now let's see how it did. Well, they do fight easily, but next here is the Jeffy alarm. Allow me to demonstrate.
This will sound every 3 seconds unless something isn't okay.
Turn it off, Homer.
It can't be turned off. But it does break easily. Now this next one's for the ladies. How many times have you gals been late for a high-powered business meeting?
Next one!
Oh yeah, sorry. I was very clumsy. 2 hours later. And those were all my inventions on how to kill Bellwether. Am I right? Meanwhile.
Oh, what a beautiful butt.
Quit talking about my butt.
Day 2.
My duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man,
You're fired.
I can explain.
Alright, then I'm going to explode your job.
No!
Look, everybody. Fred just peed his pants.
Shut up, Kevin. I said it was just a little.
Day 3.
It's no use. Bellwether's gonna come soon. Alright, Claudio gave you some blueberries for you guys. Alright, Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps. Let's teleport you to the museum that you can be safe in. Whoops. Sorry. I must have tell you wrong way, or teleport you the wrong way into the museum.
I'll evacuate the customers. You call the Navy.
Hello, operator. Get me the Navy.
Yes, police! There's a savage fox in the Natural History Museum. Officer Hobbs is down. Please hurry.
Squidward.
I mean, Mayor Bellwether.
They're running the Navy.
Not the Navy! Attention, everyone. Run for your lives.
Bellwether.
They're taking over the world.
We're savage animals.
Our world.
You dumb kids, get off my property.
Meanwhile, in the museum.
Well, you shouldn't have stayed on the carrot farm, huh? It really is too bad. I did like you.
What are you gonna do, suck me to death?
Oh, no, of course not. He did. Hero call. but savage vibes. So that's it. Prey fears predator and you stay in power? Yeah, pretty much. It won't work. Fear always works.
Oh no, she's dead! Now you've done it. Tell no one!
Blood, 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 and
You know you're milking it. Besides, I think we got it. I think we got it. We got it up there. Thank you, Yakety Yak. You laid it all out beautifully. Yeah, are you looking for the zero? Well, it's right here.
what do you got in the weapon there? Those are blueberries.
That Claudio gave to me.
Mwah. They are delicious. You should try some.
What is the meaning of this?
He's supposed to be dead!
Yeah, weird.
I framed Lionheart. I can frame you too. It's my word against yours.
Firmly grasp it!
Have a safe trip in the afterlife.
Victory screech!
Come on, Claudio. The game is about to start.
I'm coming, Judy Hopps.
A few hours later.
No, I can't believe my eyes! Looks like Samson might have choked! Unbelievable! Groovy!
Game! And that's the end of the longest sound effects video.
Just kidding.
We're gonna make more sound effects videos. Stay tuned for the longest sound effects video part 2. Stay tuned for the longest sound effects video 2.